update. Now, welcome to another episode, guys. Caleb's Updates. Full series. Hey, Mr. Mahi. It's got the motor out. Exhaust manifold facing the wrong way.
But nah, last night we ended up getting the sump on too.
Yeah.
Got the new sump fucking put on, had to get it faced up.
Yeah, so it's all flat now.
Yeah. Intake, he's putting some intake on.
Yeah. Well, it's a bit better with some light on it now, I suppose.
Yeah.
2 HKS wastegate.
You'd think it's huge, eh? But it's only 50 mil, bro.
50 mil's still decent.
Yeah, but like, you know, the one on my Cefi's 50 mil, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, true.
Doesn't seem nowhere near as big.
Yeah.
Got my big old Manta clutch on too.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Massive jobbies.
Yeah, hand comparison.
Huge. Heavy.
Fuck yeah, your RB want to be like that, eh?
Nothing compared to it, but we did run into a bit of a problem, mate.
What's that?
Where was it? Down where the starters go, bro. You probably have to come from here. Oh, I think just on one of the corners here, bro. It seems to be rubbing on the flywheel, eh?
Oh yeah, no, yeah, you can kind of see that down there.
We know, like, you know, in theory, once it's started, it should self-clear itself anyways, but we probably will, like, take it off and sort of chisel it a little bit, eh?
Nah, that's a pretty solid steel, and the block's aluminium. It'll just self-clearance for days.
I don't know, it doesn't seem to be running too much.
Yeah. Is that the fucking overboost thing?
I actually
or
don't
is
know
it?
what that is, eh?
Because some of them have that, like, thinner steel that blows instead of, like, the welds, eh, if you got, like, excess boost.
Oh, real?
Yeah.
With these, you don't tend to run a bunch of boost anyways, bro.
Yeah.
Probably like 10, 11, 12 max.
That'll be fucking maximum PSI.
Yeah.
Just a young half a bar. But yeah, no, we update. We're gonna probably do a bit more of this on tomorrow or something when the weather's actually a bit more sunny.
Yeah.
And probably some filming on the Zafiro, I'd say.
Finally do a build breakdown, eh?
Yeah, it's been a while. Well, we did actually record that episode, but all the footage is fucked up, so...
So windy, eh?
Yeah. It seems to work out all good now that I put that wind filter setting on, eh?
Yeah.
But yeah, no, mate.
I'm sure that's where the breeze go.
Yeah, breathe it.
The next day.
Well, kia ora whānau, back with another video, as you see. Got the LS out. I did record it, but the footage ended up turning out quite trash, so couldn't really use it, eh? But yeah. Done quite a bit to it while it's been out. Got the intake on. Injectors all plugged up. New clutch. Got the sump on. So she's coming along quite nicely. Definitely. But yeah, got Aaron here tonight and the old boy's showing up soon to give us a hand. You know, two Mickey fucking mechanics on the jobs. Seeing as I don't really know what I'm up to, I sort of watch from the sideline, eh?
Bro, you get enough stickers?
Yeah, I know, eh? Yeah, I've pretty much bought the last of the parts too, so while I got you here, I want to do a massive shout out to you know, 870 Drift for putting me onto this fella. For all my braided lines and AN fittings and stuff like that. So he gave me a mean deal on a bunch of fittings and, you know, fuel lines and heaps of other stuff. So for those who don't follow him, go follow ProLink Performance, man. He's yeah, he'll sort you out on majority of the stuff that you need. So yeah, shot for that Braden, bloody legend, my man. Was yeah, everywhere else I was looking for braided line and fittings and stuff like that, just charged out the arse, and Braden hooked me up a bloody mint deal on them. So yeah, if you don't, go follow them. So tonight we're hoping to, well, I'd say we will get the engine back in. It was on hold till my clutch line turned up. Where's that? You got it?
Some of it's there, some of
Yeah.
it's
This is my remote bleeder, and
some cock sensors.
yeah, remote bleeder and the clutch lines in there, and also a couple of like pushing. I think it was this. Yeah, it might have been this. Fittings for the clutch line.
Catch up to it.
Yeah, you can't really do it with the engine in, so that was sort of why we took so long on getting the engine out too, because I just needed to order those parts, so there wasn't, you know, there wasn't too much reason as to pull it out so early when I didn't have the money to order the clutch line and remote bleeder and stuff like that. So now that that arrived, we can bloody crack into it. Yeah, I can't wait. It's not too far now. Majority of the bits are bought. I think all I need now is coils and throttle body. Because we're going
Those water line things.
nah, I bought all of that. The steam port things.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all there.
Okay, sweet.
Yeah, I've got all of that.
Not left, not right.
Should be somewhere. But yeah, I'd like to go inside and have a wee gander for that. I thought it was a wee fucking box of goodies. That's the old boy turning up now. He's an old school mechanic. Fucking, I think it would probably be his first time working on LS's, eh? So yeah, I'll get back to you soon. Oh well, run into a bloody issue already. Typical, standard. But our new slave, they've fucking done a fuck up on the thread. So yeah, none of the shit's actually tying into it properly. So we're gonna have to use the one that was already in the car. It's still good, but you know, clearly we would prefer to use a brand new one. But
That's fucking fucked.
yeah, I don't think it's happening tonight. So hopefully that other one is all right.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's definitely used, but yeah, and our parts screw into the bleeder position good in this one. So that's unfortunate, but guess we'll just soldier on. Should be alright. All our goodies, all our AM fittings. Bloody heaps. Yeah. Gee, just gave my engine mounts a hoary paint up. And we're just chucking the, whoa, right. Chucking the slave cylinder back in. Got the remote bleeder on. Clutch line on. Old boys arrived. Sheesh. Shit, this light is fucking bright, man. Yeah. Yeah, just got to shorten the steering rack bolts. They're a bit too long. Set out it quite a bit. Well, just chucking the clutch back on. So had to take it back off and put some dowels on. Motor's going in, boys. She's dropping in the hole. Oh, it's definitely proving its difficulties to get in. Hey?
What happens when you squeeze a brick of V8 into a little crack?
Just give it just a tiny.
Dropping it.
Nah, up.
Up. Is that enough? A little bit more. Shit going on.
I've got it in gear, so maybe sometimes it helps. Usually when you're in gear though. They'll just
Right, gearbox is up to you one.
yeah, now we're off it.
That stuff feels hard. Gearbox.
Get that.
Be mean if he gave me the stand, Zach.
Hey,
Oh, Zach, be mean if he gave me the stand. So I could rest this camera somewhere. I'll just bloody hold it. These boys do the mahi.
She's so tidy.
sometimes you get back and forth.
Just be keeping into that spring it bearing, eh?
That's what I was thinking. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Because I know, I'm a hard out mechanic too.
And this was always going to be the hard part.
Especially with the gearbox still, I know. Engine in. Bloody good. Oh, motor's all in. Just loom wise, just doing what we can. Obviously got to get the LS2, LS3 coils. Yeah, we couldn't even repin that LS1 ones because the plugs on them are like underneath it instead of on top.
And I don't want to have to
So that was a shame.
modify it so that
Yeah, I really want to butcher a fucking
beautiful one.
yeah 2 Mickey loom. Shot out NZ wiring. Yeah. A few more parts to order. But she's getting there. Bloody beautiful.
The other way.
Got to rewire a couple of things on this loom. Alternator, starter motor wire. But yeah,
Do you take these?
other than that,
Do you put 3 tape on these?
not too far.
It won't just sit nicely after a while.
Next we'll probably do try and mess around with doing all the fuel and oil stuff.
Yep, you need to order I'll send you what to order. Fuel pressure read.
Oh, more stuff to order. Sheesh. Let's get it. To be honest, I'll probably leave the video here. Not much more is going to happen tonight. Yeah, until we suss out fitting like the lines and what are those other parts. Wait for them to arrive.
Yeah, that box isn't hard up against that engine.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that YouTube jazz. See you in the next one.